Rob, last year Microsoft liked the Nokia handset business so much it paid almost $8 billion for it. This year it dislikes it so much that it's written off almost the whole of that acquisition costs. What's gone so wrong with the business in the meantime?
There's this little thing that you have to do in the phone business, which is called selling phones.
That's a technical term.
That's a technical term, but to dumb it down a little bit, they are losing badly in this market. So badly, they've decided to all but give up. They're leaving a little scrap of the business here and there, but they've basically thrown in the towel.
Should they not have given it a bit longer? It's only a year since they bought it. Surely for $8 billion, they need to at least give it a proper go.
Well, one might think of the $6 or $7 billion they spent buying Aquantive, the internet advertising firm, and in that case, they had the dignity to let it founder for 6 years before writing down the entire value. I actually prefer, given the option, they've taken a good look at it. It has gone badly the wrong direction. They were never going to beat the Apples and the Samsungs and the China Inc. producer of the world. Let it go.
But it just raises a bigger question of what kind of business Microsoft wants to be. It's had these forays into hardware. You think back to the Zune, their answer to the iPod didn't work out very well. The phones haven't worked out very well. It does its service, tablet computers. The Xbox did very well. Is it trying to be a hardware company or is it still a software company?
Well, I wouldn't key quite as much on that distinction as I would think just about the PC. A couple of years ago, Microsoft was trading at a very low multiple because PC sales were just falling off the cliff, and you could see Microsoft stock price go down right with it. Those stabilized, Microsoft shares came back up. They've had some success in cloud software or software as a service. They've climbed their way up, but the fate of the company is still tied to the PC. So what kind of company is Microsoft? Microsoft is the kind of company that tries to escape from the PC business.
And doesn't seem to be doing so very successfully.
Well, there are some exceptions to that. Now, the first I would talk about is their business software, or their server software business. So they sell a lot of software to sort of middleware to businesses, database software, all sorts of stuff that sort of goes at the server level, and that has turned into a huge business. That business, if it was on its own, would probably be worth, I don't know, $80, $100 billion. And they do have a fast-growing cloud business. So they are selling Microsoft 365 subscriptions, they are selling cloud storage, et cetera, et cetera. So they're growing parts of the business. But I think you can expect Microsoft to keep searching, right? Because the core of the business is still Windows operating system, Office software sold onto every PC.
Sounds like you're expecting more mistakes ahead as they try to escape the PC, as you say. Rob, thanks very much.
Thank you.